How Jovi eats a sixlet. First, she squishes it. Oh, you can't squish that one? I'm not going to squish it. You just eat it like this. Okay? You don't squish it, you eat it. You eat it, Joe. There you go. See, they're yummy. Mmm. Is that delicious? Is that delicious? That's chocolate. Is that your tattoo? It's a bunny. It doesn't come off. It's not a sticker. It's a tattoo. Tattoo. Oh, it's a bunny. Bunny. Oh, you gonna eat another one?
Whoa,
you don't squish them, just eat it. Yeah, there you go.
Don't show those to mommy.
What's Stacy got? Let me see.
No,
I want to see.
No.
Is it my favorite?
Don't show her.
Show me. I want to see.
Show her, but don't let her have it. Show her, but don't let her have it.
Oh, those are my favorite, but Jace likes those a lot too.
I see
There we go.
that.